Welcome back to another video. My name is Man, and today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing you all how to make Minecraft titles. Now, this right here is the file for the video that I'm currently recording. It does that once I hit record on OBS. I hit record, and then that happened. What we're going to do, you're going to download Blockbench. If you don't know how to do that, just go search up Blockbench, download on Google, download it, then eventually a thing on your home screen, on this screen right here, for example, would pull up and be like Blockbench, startup.exe. Eventually you go for that, then you'll get this. So what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to click Blockbench now. And see, I already had the Minecraft title thing there. You all most likely won't. So what you do, just in case that happens, you don't have all this stuff here. And you won't have the loaders or anything, because I added them plugins for myself. I don't know why. I wanted to test out with them. But most likely, you may not have this Minecraft. So what you need to do, you head up to File. You click plugins, you go to available, and then, yeah, you will find these, all these available plugins. Hold on. Okay, you do not need this right here. I don't think you do. No, you do not need this plugin. What you're looking for is Minecraft Title Generator by Ewan Howell. Right there, it will do that. And once you install that, you click this little thing right here, create new Minecraft title. Now, for me, I'm gonna make one for this video. So I'm gonna go to I'm gonna type how to. Now I'm gonna choose, do I want dungeons? You know, we'll go with Minecraft 10. Then I go to texture, okay, what do I want? Let's see, let's go to tileables, whatever that is. Do I want to use like a potato or something? Do I want to use a gradient? Let's see, what do I want to use? I think what I will do is I will use these. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on, for example, I'm wanting to do the glow squid. Okay, and let's see, do I want it to shine, have the little cartoon thing? Yeah, let's see, I want the cartoon. There's cracks, you can add extra cracks to the crack right there. Let's see. Right here, I want it to be this color. And now, I suggest you keep this on white, because that's what happens when you do it to like all this. Now, it can cost for some things, some good things, kind of like, that doesn't look half bad. But it'd be much easier if you keep it nice and simple. You can turn the brightness up, down, up and down, saturation. So we're going to do that. Okay. You can use all these if you want. and this is for the scaling. Now I'm going to show you how you use that. See, right now, well, we have this right here. We currently have a 3D model of the word how to. Now we're going to move it up a little bit. So we're going to click this position Y, move this up. For my thing, we'll move it to 50. Then we are going to type make a, and you know what? I think what I'm going to do is actually keep this whole thing. You can change and mix and match. But now, what we're going to do, we're going to lower this. You can see it's smaller. And we are going to place that right under here. Now, where this is going to be how to make a Minecraft title. Then we're going to type the word title. And we have the hue like that. We basically need to reset these to how they were. And what we're going to do in Minecraft with this one, we're going to be doing that. Alrighty, just like that. We're going to turn this up by a little bit. Just a little bit bigger. Then we're going to position this down. Like so. And so far, here's what it looks like. You can go click render, which I will show y'all why you need this eventually. But so far we have how to make a Minecraft, which is not what we're needing. We need to make how to make a Minecraft title. Like so. Now we are going to once more find, where is it? Glow squid. And we are going to find roughly what we need. Now, what I really probably should have done is, or if I do this with, so it appears, okay, and just like that, I think we recreated that. Although, wait a minute, I know I did something wrong. We didn't go back to overlay and add the cartoon. And also, I think I turn the brightness up just a little bit more. That's good enough. We're going to click this back down. Moving this down underneath the word Minecraft. So this is how to make a Minecraft title. Now look at that. You have a 3D model. You can go to paint, do whatever you want with paint. You can add some gradient thing. You can use to make a gradient tool. Let's see if we go back to edit, you can see right there we added a bit of gradient, which we are going to actually edit, undo. Let's look at this back of this. Now you may ask, well, how do I, like, if I'm clicking on one of these, how do I get rid of that? I can't click that. You come over here, click that, boom. And what you're going to do now, you're going to go over to render. You can click this to do this, which you can do it any way you want to go at it. See, also, if you really want, you could click this to make it go back. So I can do that and this forward, this back. Now that doesn't look good at all, especially once you get into a render. But that's just a demonstration of something you could very much so do and how to do it and use it. Now I have to go through and undo all these, so I'm gonna speed up and do that. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I just had a genius moment. I forgot that I can just like click these, click like the top of the group here, and use these instead of having. There we go. I was a little bit stupid there, but there we go. I can click render now. Out there you can do that. You can have it up a little bit. Now what we do, we click render Minecraft title, the little red camera right here. Now look at that. You can click square, puts it in a square. You can click custom. We can click Minecraft. I'm gonna go to normal. You can click background color if you want to add a background to it. We could do like that. And that. Just like that. But we're going to not do that. We're going to click off of these. Boom, boom. And what we're going to do, we're going to click save render. Now we're going to click this. We're going to rename this to how to make a title. We're going to hit save. It's right there. This is saved in there. So you can click off of this. We can click save model. Wait, I forgot how to make it into. Uh-oh. Let's just save that so it'll stop. Whoa. Okay, well that was about to be an issue. What we can do, if I'm remembering this right, we actually click the X. We can click save all. Wait a minute. How do I get it to? Uh-oh. You know, I don't remember how to actually get it to save this itself. But you can click these, get rid of that. And eventually, see, we could easily time lapse it too. But now we are going to do this. I already have it. I'm happy with what it is. I know I won't be needing it anymore. So right here on my desktop, how to make a title. Hope y'all enjoyed. God bless, peace and love, and goodbye.